You want to marry, oh, I want to marry this girl, found over, they won't actually marry you. You, a girl, want to marry this. And then they are, okay, you have to compromise. If she has good behavior, she's not so beautiful. If she's beautiful, she's not good behavior. Okay, get the mediocre one. Here it is like this, but you don't want media, you want first class everything. So why? Because actually in Jannah there are hurs who are perfect. And people want to marry more than one, two, three. Meaning the non-Muslims, they marry hundreds. Muslims are limited to one, unless they can be very, very fair to, they can go to four. But for non-Muslims, they say, oh, in Islam you can marry, one person said, you marry four. I say, well, you are saying we can marry four, you have hundreds. You know, is there any limit in them? Is there any law written that you can have only 10 girlfriends? 50? Is there a limit? And no. Then you should not be. We should be questioning you. When there is no limit of women for you, and for us actually only one, and then only we are allowed 2, 3 if we are fair. So you should be having pity on us, not actually saying, oh, it's as though every Muslim has 4 women. It's not the case.